This 2026 Keystone Montana High Country 311 RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, stovetop burner, awning, TV, oven, microwave, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Montana High Country 311 RD is 11,880 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.